Hello friends. In this video, we are going to learn about farm animals. I am so excited. Let's begin. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. The cow goes. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. The pig goes. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. The sheep goes. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The goat goes. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The horse goes. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. The donkey goes. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. The chicken goes. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The duck goes. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. The rabbit goes. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. The turkey goes. Let's revise. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Goat. Horse. Donkey. Chicken. Duck. Rabbit. Turkey. Thanks for watching this video. For more such interesting videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.